All right, time to get serious now. How to generate the best quality AI images. So for this we use Midjourney. If you haven't heard about it before, just let me quickly show you how to access it. So all you need to do is go to Google, type Midjourney, and this window should pop up and you should click sign in with Discord, which is where I am right now. And what will happen is you will essentially be taken to one of these newbie rooms where you'll have 30 to 40 trial images before they ask you for a payment subscription. But if you have a payment subscription like me, you will get access to a private room like this where you can generate your own pictures. So before we begin, just let me quickly show you their payment subscriptions. So if I click on subscription plans, as you can see, there are 4 subscription plans, and by the way, all of them have unlimited image generations, so you don't have to worry about that. The only difference is the amount of fast hours that you get, meaning that the more you pay, the more fast hours you get, and what it essentially means is how faster your images are going to be produced.